Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about the new Air Hogs X-Wing vs TIE Fighter Assault set. This is a really unique set that allows you to pit an X-Wing versus a TIE Fighter drone in two-player dogfights where you have to shoot down your opponent before they shoot you. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's go through the contents of the box so you know exactly what you're gonna get. Your package should contain one X-Wing Starfighter Micro Quad drone, one TIE Fighter Micro Quad drone, two remote controls, two USB charging cables, and one set of instructions. Let's talk about some of the awesome features included in this amazing set. First of all, you're getting two drones, an X-Wing drone and a TIE Fighter. That means not only can you and a friend take part in two-player battles, you can also fly each drone individually and log hours of flight time. The second big thing is, of course, battle mode. You and a friend each control one of the drones and battle for supremacy of the skies. As the X-Wing pilot, you fire infrared blasters at the TIE Fighter. Firing your blasters will be indicated by authentic Star Wars blaster sounds and lights on your display. But you gotta look out because your opponent is gonna be firing back at you. 3 hits wins, after which the losing drone sinks gently to the ground. First, since the drones use IR beams, you can't see the rays. So it may take some practice to shoot down your opponent at first, and some hits you'll think are right on target might not quite be there. Second, keep in mind that two-player battle mode was designed for indoor play only. The IR won't function outside, so pick a clear, open indoor space where you and your opponent have plenty of room to maneuver, then battle away. Lastly, remember each ship comes with its own remote, so keep an eye on which goes with which, and remember to keep both remotes and both vehicles charged at all times. Thanks for tuning in today, pilots. I'm really excited about this set, and I think all the other Star Wars fans out there are gonna be too.